Updating your profile details on Claro 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings section in the main menu. Click on it to view your current profile details. Step 3. Edit your information. In the Profile Settings, find the option to edit your personal information. Click on the Edit button next to the details you wish to update, such as your name, email, or phone number. Step 4. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. Step 5. Log out and verify. Once you have saved your changes, log out of your account. Then log back in to verify that your updated profile details are correctly displayed. By following these steps, you can easily keep your profile information up to date on Claro 2026.